Hello everyone, and welcome back to our TIA Portal tutorial series. Today, we have a topic that is fundamental to understanding ladder logic programming. Normally open, normally closed, and OTE instructions. These instructions are essential for controlling processes and devices in industrial automation. So, let's dive right in and break down these concepts step by step. First, let's talk about the normally open contact or NO contact in TIA Portal. This instruction is represented by a symbol that looks like an open switch. It's used to create a logical condition that is true when the input is energized or closed. As you can see on the screen, the symbol for a normally open contact resembles an open switch. When the input to this contact is active or closed, the contact becomes true, allowing the current to flow through the rung of your ladder logic program. Now, let's move on to the normally closed contact or NC contact. This instruction is represented by a symbol that looks like a closed switch. It's used to create a logical condition that is true when the input is not energized or open. As you can see, the symbol for a normally closed contact looks like a closed switch. It operates in the opposite way of a normally open contact. When the input to this contact is inactive or open, the contact becomes true, allowing the current to flow through the rung. Lastly, let's discuss the output energize or OTE instruction. This instruction is used to control the energization of an output device such as a motor, solenoid, or valve coil. It's represented by a symbol that looks like a coil with a single line. Watch the simulation video and monitor the conditions. The symbol for an OTE instruction is quite straightforward. When the rung of ladder logic is true, the OTE instruction will energize the corresponding output device. When the rung is false, the output device is de-energized. To better understand how these instructions work together, let's look at a simple practical example. We want to control a motor with a start button and a stop button. In this ladder logic diagram, we have a normally open contact connected to the start button, a normally closed contact connected to the stop button, and an output energize, OTE, instruction controlling the motor. When the start button is pressed, it closes the normally open contact, making the rung true, and the OTE instruction energizes the motor. If the stop button is pressed, it opens the normally closed contact, breaking the rung's continuity, and the motor stops. So, there you have it, normally open, normally closed, and OTE instructions in TIA Portal. These instructions are the building blocks of ladder logic programming in industrial automation. Understanding how they work is essential for designing and troubleshooting control systems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more TIA Portal tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.